Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite movie corner. Today we're diving into some absolute hidden gems. Movies that may not have been huge box office hits, but deliver unforgettable performances, gripping stories, and pure cinematic magic. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the countdown. Starting at number 10 is the hauntingly beautiful Bulbul. Set in 19th century Bengal, it follows the story of a child bride who grows into a mysterious woman presiding over her household and possibly hiding a dark secret. With stunning visuals, a feminist undertone, and a chilling supernatural twist, Bulbul is more poetry than horror. If you love layered storytelling, this one is a must-watch. At number 9, we have Choked, directed by Anurag Kashyap. It's about Sarita, a struggling bank cashier whose life changes when she finds stacks of cash leaking out of her kitchen sink. But when demonetization hits India, everything gets tangled up. This slow-burning thriller shows how greed, hope, and reality clash in a common household. Sayami Khair's performance is absolutely realistic, boss. On number 8, the gritty murder mystery Raat Akeli Hai. When a wealthy family patriarch is found dead on the night of his wedding, Inspector Jatil Yadav is called in. But as he digs deeper, secrets start tumbling out, and nothing is as simple as it seems. Nawazuddin Siddiqui's performance as the determined cop is just next level. A slow, gripping whodunit that keeps you guessing till the end. At number 7 is the sweet coming-of-age film Maska. Rumi Irani dreams of becoming a Bollywood star, but his mother's plan is for him to run the family's iconic Irani cafe. Torn between dreams and tradition, Rumi's journey is heartwarming and relatable. The film beautifully captures Mumbai's charm and the eternal conflict between old and new. Perfect for a feel-good movie night. Coming at number 6, Ajeeb Dastans, an anthology of 4 powerful stories. Each tale explores relationships, secrets, and betrayals in Indian society. From forbidden love to jealousy to power dynamics, every story hits hard. This film showcases some brilliant performances by Konkona Sen Sharma, Fatma Sana Shaikh, and Jaideep Alawat. If you like intense emotional dramas, this one's a gem. At number 5, we have Taj Mahal 1989. Set in Lucknow during the pre-internet era, it beautifully weaves together the lives of professors, students, and couples dealing with love, politics, and heartbreak. It's nostalgic, philosophical, and very rooted in Indian culture. An absolute treat for viewers who like slow, character-driven stories filled with 90s nostalgia. Moving to number 4, Axon, a refreshing slice-of-life drama. Set in Delhi, it follows a group of friends from the Northeast trying to cook a traditional dish for a wedding, facing racism, ignorance, and the struggles of being outsiders in their own country. Funny, touching, and very important, Axon highlights the subtle discrimination Northeastern Indians face daily. It's a unique story rarely told in Indian cinema. At number 3 is the delicate romance Sir. Ratna, a live-in maid, and Ashwin, her wealthy employer, develop an unexpected bond. Despite coming from different worlds, their connection blossoms, but society's rules threaten to crush it. Tilottama Shomi's performance is absolutely soul-stirring. Simple yet so deep, Sir will definitely stay with you long after the credits roll. At number 2, we have Ye Ballet, an inspiring real-life story. 2 Mumbai boys from humble backgrounds get a chance to train in ballet under a tough Israeli-American teacher. Fighting societal pressures and their own doubts, they chase their dreams against all odds. It's a feel-good underdog story that proves talent can come from anywhere and dreams know no boundaries. And finally, at number 1, Rajma Chawal. This emotional dramedy tells the story of a widower who tries to reconnect with his estranged son through social media, pretending to be a young girl online. Set in the busy lanes of Chandni Chowk, it's full of humor, heartbreak, and warmth. Rishi Kapoor's performance is full of heart, making it a simple yet touching watch. Highly relatable for every Indian family, especially in today's digital world. These were the top 10 best underrated Indian Netflix movies. Which one have you already watched? Which one are you planning to binge next? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing movie lists. Till then, stay cinematic, stay elite.